Good morning. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina. This is a whole clean video for NautiGator. We were not able to get the zinc installed onto the prop. The bolts that hold on the flex fold plate actually were not on the boat, or not installed. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plate off, just so one, we don't lose it, and two, it doesn't get corroded. And we're going to get bigger bolts to where they fit in there and get that installed as soon as possible. But let's go ahead and check out the cleaning. I do want to let you know there are skeleton shrimp in the area, so if you do see little small crawly things on the boat, that's what it is. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.